In this Argos support video, we will show you how to put together a Bush TV stand. This video applies to certain models of Bush televisions that use a single stand in the middle. Please visit argos-support.co.uk if your stand looks different. Included with the stand is the screws required for each part of the stand. This includes 4 small screws to fit the metal plate to the pillar section of the stand, 4 slightly longer screws to attach the pillar to the stand, and 4 black screws that are used to attach the stand to the TV. Firstly, attach the mounting plate to the pillar. This can only be fitted in the correct way due to the pins that protrude from the pillar. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to attach the 4 smaller screws to the pillar section. Next, line the pillar up with the stand. It can only fit in one direction, so ensure that the pillar is facing the correct way and slots into place. You can now use the 4 longer screws to attach the pillar to the stand. Ensure they are properly tightened. You can now mount the TV to the stand.